Yo, what's up, Electro Drive Nation? We're kicking things off with a massive shakeup in the compact EV arena. Stellantis-backed Leapmotor just dropped the B05, also known as the Lafa 5 in China, and it's here to go head-to-head with Europe's favorite hatchbacks. This sleek new electric vehicle is packed with style and tech, and it's set to launch next year, aiming to steal the crown from rivals like the VW ID.3 and MG4. Get ready for a serious new contender. Next up, we're heading to Munich, where Turkish EV startup Togg is making some serious moves. CEO Mehmet Gürkan Karakas unveiled the new T10F electric sedan and announced their aggressive European expansion, starting with Germany. Togg is ready to take on the fierce competition, and they're banking on their status as a European manufacturer to give them an edge. Can Togg conquer the European market? Now, a shift in strategy from a titan of the auto industry. General Motors is making some strategic production adjustments at its Fairfax Assembly Plant in Kansas City. Due to anticipated slower electric vehicle growth, GM has decided to delay the return of a second shift. We'll break down what this means for the plant and the broader EV market as incentives start to shift. Is this a sign of changing EV tides? And finally, we've got some absolutely electrifying news from Cadillac. Their new Escalade IQ isn't just a luxury EV. It's leading the charge for the brand's soaring EV sales, with 1 in 4 Cadillacs now electric. We're talking groundbreaking tech, incredible range, and performance that'll blow you away. You need to see what Cadillac is doing. All that and more, right here on Electro Drive News. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Europe's EV hatchback wars just got a new challenger. Get ready, because Stellantis-backed Leapmotor has just unveiled a stunning new electric hatchback, the B05, at the IAA Mobility Show in Munich. Known as the Lafa 5 in China, this sleek machine is engineered to directly challenge established favorites like the Volkswagen ID.3 and the MG4, aiming to capture the attention of young buyers seeking an affordable yet stylish EV. This isn't just a concept. The B05 is scheduled for a European launch next year, with an even sportier Ultra trim featuring a distinctive body kit set to arrive in 2026. Visually, it boasts a low-slung profile with eye-catching details like dark-tinted headlights, sporty bumper intakes, frameless doors, and a full-width LED taillight bar that's been drawing comparisons to Porsche. The Munich show car sports a vibrant yellow paint job with gloss black accents and 19-inch wheels, mirroring the Chinese spec model, though the latter hints at more advanced autonomous driving tech with a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor. Underneath its stylish exterior, the B05 is expected to share the Leap 3.5 architecture with its B10 crossover sibling. This suggests a powertrain producing around 215 horsepower, with battery options likely ranging from 56.2 kWh to 67.1 kWh, potentially offering a WLTP range of up to 434 kilometers. The chassis development, reportedly aided by Stellantis' engineering team, promises a balanced 50/50 weight distribution and a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension. Inside, expect a high-tech cockpit dominated by a 14.6-inch infotainment display powered by a Snapdragon 8155 chip and running Leap OS. While Stellantis hasn't released official pricing, it's anticipated to be more affordable than the B10 crossover, which starts around $35,000, positioning the B05 as a compelling, budget-friendly alternative to current market leaders. The automotive world is buzzing with excitement and a bit of apprehension as this new contender prepares to shake up the European compact EV segment. Don't go anywhere, because what Togg is planning next will change the game entirely. Next, we're diving into how a Turkish EV startup is aiming to conquer Europe. Turkish EV startup Togg eyes European domination. Electric vehicle startup Togg is making a bold statement, officially unveiling its new T10F electric sedan and announcing plans to launch sales in Europe, beginning with Germany. This move marks a significant expansion for the Turkish automaker as it seeks to tap into the continent's vast and competitive car market. At the IAA Mobility Show in Munich, Togg presented both the T10X electric SUV and the brand new T10F sedan, confirming that orders for both models will open in Germany by the end of September. CEO Mehmet Gürkan Karakas emphasized the strategic importance of this expansion, stating, "It's time to go to the next market in Europe because it is a fact that the local Turkish market is not big enough." Following Germany, Togg has its sights set on France and Italy, demonstrating a clear ambition to become a major player across the continent. Karakas expressed confidence in Togg's ability to compete, even with the influx of Chinese EV makers in Europe. He believes Togg's status as a European manufacturer provides a distinct advantage in navigating regulatory landscapes. Last year, Togg sold approximately 30,000 T10X SUVs in Turkey, with sales already up 42% this year. However, industry experts estimate that Togg needs to sell around 200,000 vehicles annually to achieve profitability, underscoring the critical need for international expansion. The market's reaction is one of cautious optimism. While Togg faces established players and a host of new EV entrants, its focused strategy and manufacturing base position it as a serious contender. Analysts are watching closely to see if Togg can replicate its domestic success on the European stage, especially against formidable competition. But what happens when an EV giant shifts its focus? Prepare for a surprising turn as we look at General Motors' latest production decision. GM adjusts EV strategy. Fairfax Assembly Plant faces production shift. General Motors has announced a significant production adjustment at its Fairfax Assembly Plant in Kansas City, Kansas, opting to delay the return of a second shift. This decision stems from what the automaker describes as anticipated slower growth in the electric vehicle market and evolving customer demand. Originally, GM had planned for the Fairfax plant to produce both the gas-powered Chevrolet Equinox and the electric Chevrolet Bolt. However, with key federal tax incentives for EVs set to expire at the end of September, GM is recalibrating its production strategy. The plant's flexibility to switch between internal combustion engines and electric vehicles, a capability highlighted by GM, is seen as a crucial asset in navigating these market uncertainties. This delay in adding a second shift reflects a broader cautiousness within the industry regarding the pace of EV adoption. Despite this adjustment, GM remains committed to the future of the Fairfax facility, emphasizing its decision earlier this year to allocate production of the gas-powered Chevrolet Equinox to the plant starting in 2027. This move is part of a larger $4 billion expansion plan that also includes facilities in Michigan and Tennessee, signaling continued investment in traditional powertrain manufacturing alongside EV development. The local community and workforce are closely monitoring these developments. The Fairfax plant is a vital economic engine, employing over 2,000 individuals. While the delay in the second shift may raise concerns, GM's commitment to future gas-powered vehicle production and its overall EV initiatives suggest a complex but ongoing strategy for the plant's long-term viability. Now, for some electrifying news that proves not every EV story is about slowing down. Get ready to be amazed by Cadillac's electric flagship that's absolutely dominating the market. Cadillac Escalade IQ ignites brand's EV sales surge. Cadillac is experiencing an electrifying turnaround, with its electric vehicles now accounting for a remarkable 1 in 4 sales. This surge is largely driven by the halo effect of its innovative EV lineup, including the highly anticipated Escalade IQ, which is not only attracting new buyers, but also redefining luxury electric mobility. The brand's strategic pivot towards the future is paying dividends. By developing cutting-edge products and patiently waiting for the market to mature, Cadillac has successfully rejuvenated its image and attracted a new demographic, with an impressive 8 out of 10 Cadillac buyers being new to the brand. The Escalade IQ, carrying the torch of an iconic nameplate, leads this charge, embodying both heritage and groundbreaking innovation. It serves as the ultimate showcase for Cadillac's technological advancements, many of which trickle down to other GM brands. With a starting price from $130,090, the Escalade IQ and its long-wheelbase counterpart, the IQL, offer unparalleled luxury and cutting-edge features. These include a panoramic 55-inch curved screen spanning the dashboard, advanced voice activation powered by Google, and a luxurious interior crafted with bespoke leatherette. The EV boasts an estimated range of over 460 miles, with some testers achieving up to 550 miles on a single charge, supported by Cadillac's Ultium charging platform, capable of adding 100 miles in just 10 minutes. Performance is equally staggering, with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system delivering up to 750 horsepower and a 0-60 mph time of just 4.7 seconds. The automotive community is abuzz with praise for the Escalade IQ's blend of performance, luxury, and technology. Despite its premium price tag, the model is on track to generate over $1 billion in sales by 2025, solidifying Cadillac's position as a dominant force in the luxury EV market and proving that innovation, even at a high cost, can capture the public's imagination and wallet. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. But before you go, let's do a quick lightning round recap of everything you need to know. All right, Electro Drive Nation, that was a packed show. We saw the Stellantis-backed Leapmotor B05 arrive to challenge Europe's favorite EVs. Togg is making a serious push into Europe with its new T10F sedan and T10X SUV. General Motors is making strategic production adjustments at its Fairfax plant, delaying a second shift due to EV market shifts. And Cadillac's Escalade IQ is absolutely crushing it, leading the brand's EV sales surge with incredible tech and performance. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Electro Drive News for all the latest EV updates, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let us know in the comments which story you found most exciting, and follow us on all our socials for behind-the-scenes content and more. We'll see you in the next one.